Good day, all you rock hounds out there. I've been trying to find some arrowheads on this NASA picture panoramic rock nest. Haven't found any arrowheads yet, but I sure have found a lot of other garbage I'd like to share with you. If you could put up with me for a little bit here, and hopefully you'll be about as amazed as I was. Okay, clearly right here we got some type of plumbing, tubing, some type of plumbing tubing apparatus. Looks like maybe a jug there of some type, little jug. Is that a lock right there? Could be a lock. Up here, and that clearly looks like a can to me of some sort. And right beside it there's a piece of angle iron. Yep, that's clearly a piece of angle iron. That thing there, I don't know what that is, raised up off the... Can't place that, but yeah, okay. Down over the bank here, what we got here? A wine bottle. Clearly some kind of vessel. And we just move over here just a little piece. How about this one here? What do you see in there, guys? What's this item right here? That little item there. How about this real pretty can right here? Possibly another can, another can. Have a look at that. Is that a plastic bottle or a glass bottle? What do you think? There's so many cans and bottles in here. I'll find a few here for you. Try to keep this down about 10 minutes. There's a nice can over here. That's clearly a nice example of a can. Possibly one there, maybe not, but that's definitely a can. Here's a better one yet. Beauty. Look at that puppy right there. Is that a fine example of a can or what? Possibly one here. One here. Beautiful one down here. That's a dandy can. And of course this pail. Looks like a pail right there. Yeah, you'll have no problem finding any cans and bottles in here. Okay, look at this fancy item. Clearly that's some kind of a metal pot of some kind. It's got a little check valve or drain cockpit there of some sort. And right beside it, guys, what do you think about this item? Is that a pair of sunglasses? What do you think? Pair of sunglasses? Just hope they didn't belong to this fella here. Alright, let's look for some shoes. I found all kinds of shoes in here. Here's one. Now that one there kind of resembles a pair of my shoes. So what do you think, guys? Is that a shoe? The tongue, or yeah, it's kind of laid back there, but that clearly looks like a shoe to me. There's another one right here. We got us a boot there, guys. Is that a boot? What do you think? We don't got to go very far. Go up here. What we got there? Is that a brown slip over shoe? And a cowboy boot. There's a youngster's shoe, it looks like. Tell me that's not shoes. Boots, shoes. Of course, with all that activity, you gotta have a bathtub. That's clearly a bathtub to me. Upside down, of course, but you can clearly see the beveled edge around it. Alright, over here by this horse carcass. Okay. I'm going to call that a little kid's slipper. Some type of slipper shoe. Little fancy tongue sticking out of it there. It's like something a kid would wear. Definitely a slipper, I think. And then for all you mechanics out there, how about this handy little item? It's in about every mechanic's garage you know of. That, my friends, looks like a air nozzle for an air compressor, blowgun. There's the tube, the trigger, the hose would hook on here. That clearly looks like an air compressor blowgun to me. But then you got to have a handy dandy clamp. You always need a clamp to hold on to something. That's clearly a clamp. Could resemble a jumper cable in, but that's a handy dandy clamp. Look at that. Don't have to go very far here. Alright, what's this item? What do you think? Do we have a spoon there, people? I see a spoon. Definitely see a spoon there. Okay, how about a hammer and handle, or possibly a jack stand? The base plate of the jack stand, kind of webbing there for strength. That could be the bar itself, but looks like a hammer to me. Hammer head. But if that's not the hammer, surely this is. What do you think? Is that a hammerhead? Right beside this polished piece of bone or whatever. But that's clearly a hammerhead. Maybe even a set of headphones right there. Possibly a set of headphones. This place is full of crap. Right here, I see a pair of needle nose pliers. There's the two ends. There would be one handle, and the other handle is right here. But I see a pair of needle nose pliers right there, guys. And of course, right here is another can with a hole in it. Clearly a can. And over here I see a mallet. Anybody see that mallet right there? Definitely looks like a mallet to me. Okay, possibly another pair of sunglasses. Reason why I say that is because I don't see how there's anything back there that would have cast that shadow, but really can't be sure. Well, it might see rock here. Okay, forget I even said that. How about this hoe? Is that a hoe? Broken hoe handle? Sure resembles one, but the first piece of wood-like material I've seen, actually. Unless rocks roll to that shape, but that clearly looks like a hoe. Alright, there's some debris over here I want you to see real quick. Okay, inside this, behind this mess, there's something clearly in there. It's definitely, I see some type of tubing or what have you there, but looks like a capital H to me, but definitely something in there, reflective. And of course there's a piece of metallic there, another can there, something there, it's metal. Alright guys, this right here is what's going to blow you. How about right here? What do you see right there? There, comes down and goes down like this. Have a look at that now. What do you see? My friends, we got us a gear shift. That is clearly a gear shift. No doubt in my mind. I like to medicate, but I can sure see that. Then of course there's some type of shiny pieces and parts inside there. Then of course it kind of shaped like a, you know, yeah, it's not natural. That's a gear shift. I don't care. That is a gear shift. While we're here, let's have a gander at this bug. That damn bug right there, he bugs the hell out of me. Plus there's some more rebar here or whatever. There's shit all through this hillside right here. Concrete blocks, everything. But yeah, that little thing there kind of, I just can't make it out. And I haven't found any more on none of these rocks. But it's clearly casting a nice shadow, and it looks like it's kind of up off the rock. It's not flat against it. That's weird. Okay, and then here's a really good find. Just look right here. Tell me what you see. That, my friends, is a red can with writing on it. There's another can there, and I think this is another can here. Possibly that's a can. Back off a little bit. But guaranteed that's a can. So let me know, guys, if I've overdone my medication today. And I'm sure glad you appreciate you putting up with me. Let me know what you think. Thanks.